Let me ask you, when will you expose something? What kahle ukuthi ikufakela some bread?
Okay, okay. I wanna answer you, but with a statement. Bese characters. Usena mina again. If nangabe kanjalo, who exposed it? Because nangabe uswena ke game will I expose something that gives me bread?
Yeah.
Then ngibano expose ayena usena this thing.
Phela talk actually this thing come with nama terms and conditions. There are people maybe like labangena kiyo the shit and then sebafuna kuphuma and then they started to expose the shit.
And then the story sanomjita lo mayisolo usena lendlu yakhe secela kwa Black
Coffee never. That's how can they have Black Coffee how much?
I saw 200 something million yilo yayingephasi kwalemo so mara nje eceleni kwakhe vele that's why this thing leni into mayidlala kangaka and it unyalo sokuphuma nedance yakhe lo mjita basena kunema soul dance
Shatrena though.
and ya trend
Bixalo, who is this thing?
do us so
I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, bro.
you're a Kaizer Chiefs fan?
Yeah.
I'm a Pirate fan, Miss Amin.
Yeah, I don't like you.
I don't like you,
bro.
but